And it's starting to rain. So these are the models over here. We got the Stellar Grand. This looks beautiful. Now I know I have a Stellar, but I don't think I've ever seen a Stellar Grand. So let's go inside and look at this Stellar Grand first, because then there's another house over here called the Stardom. That's a popular one. Now over here at the end is something called the Hallmark. So I'm gonna do what I can before my battery cuts out on me. Let's see. Yeah, that's a beautiful one. It's been built the same without me. So if you want to check that out, just let me know and I can point you to. A lot of stuff went on in the process of that, so but ultimately it turned out good in the end, and that's what was important. It turned out actually great in the end. Although I was at the house like probably 10 times. So it was a lot. This is a beautiful room, wow. So the Stardom Grand, now the Stardom I think is like the, yeah, this is the house I thought it was. I was just about to say that with that double sliding door thing or whatever. It's a big house. Now this community is natural gas, and you know, all the Del Webbs are. Oh, this doesn't have the, I was referring to it when it's on the side too, unless that's an upgrade. I think it was the Stardom, unless that's a different model that I'm confusing it with. Beautiful upgrades. It looks like you got the luxury vinyl plank. And of course, you know, Del Webb communities are 55 and over, these kind, you know. Well, pretty much everything Del Webb, I think. I don't think I've ever seen a Del Webb that was anything less than 55. Wow, look at this big master closet. They got the shelving and all that stuff all ready to go. This is such nice, is this a granite or is this a quartz countertop? Very nice. Looks like a granite, like a very high-end granite. I like the shower. Yeah, this is becoming more popular where they're putting it on the side now, because a lot of times these builders are sticking like one shower head there for these huge showers. This looks like the shower that my customer actually had. Great looking model. Look at this. Look at this master bedroom. Let's go upstairs first, and then I'll walk down that way. I'm imagining that this is just going to be like a big loft and a bedroom and a bathroom. I could be wrong. Am I wrong? I think I might be. What's this to the left? Wow. So this is just like a big storage. And the HVAC room. Yeah, see, this is for like the grandkids. That's the, you know, that's the thing. And you know, a lot of these 55 and over communities, they have a certain, you know, regulation for, you know, how old people in the house can be, you know, what age, you know, can they potentially live there, or if they're younger, you know, how long can they stay. There's all kinds of things like that that you want to, you know, look into. You know, how old to like purchase the house as well, you know, stuff like that. Very nice. Look at that. This bedroom, though, is extremely large. I didn't think that it was going to be this big, if there was a bedroom. Because usually it's just like a standard size bedroom and a loft like this, but this is a beautiful loft. I'm in a bit of a rush because it's late and, you know, they're going to be closing up soon. I don't know exactly when, but maybe in like an hour or so. I just wanted to get a couple of videos in of this area. I figured if I could get like 2 models in, that would be nice. Today's been a rainy day. Huge storage under the stairs. Look at that. That's nice. Yeah, look at that. Wonderful cabinets that a lot of these builders are using. And again, like, I wonder what this is. Very nice. Now, is this Stardom? I can't, I'm trying to remember which one was which. It was just here. Laundry. Oh, this should have the 3-car garage, right?
Entry doors open.
Yeah. I like those alarms that talk like that. My second house had it. It was nice. It would tell you like front door, back door. So this is what is this again? The Stardom Grand? Yeah, very nice cabinets. I like them, and I think that the color is off in the camera, in the camera's viewer. So I wonder what it's going to look like on the computer. Yeah, really nice homes. You know, these Del Webb homes are, you know, they're nice. And again, you know, that's very different than, you know, build quality when I say that. Sometimes people, when they hear nice, they think, you know, everything's just perfect. You know, there's always issues everywhere you go. But what I'm saying is that these floor plans and these layouts are very nice. I should have brought my sunglasses. So yeah, here's the Stardom. So wait, what was this again? This wasn't the Stardom. The Stellar Grand, that's it, the Stellar, okay. Okay, the Stellar. Prestige is across the street, the Stardom. Yeah, it's raining. That's today, it's been rainy. Been raining a lot. So let's go in and see the Hallmark. I don't think I have a video of a Hallmark. Could be wrong. If I have a video of a Hallmark, then it might be in, what is it, a Mineola at that Del Webb. Is this the one that's like 2,000 square feet or 1,500? So I think there was one of them, there was like a 2-bedroom. Let's see. Yeah, I think I liked it though. But I'm pretty much a fan of the floor plans from Pulte. I've always been. Their floor plans are very nice. The exterior of their homes could use some work, though. These over here look very nice on the exterior. But some of the other communities is what I'm saying, the Pulte ones. So let's see, what do we have here? So you got an island. That's a good size because you can see that there's 3 seats. Yeah, again, I'm liking all these cabinets. Very nice colors. So good laundry room. Look at that. Your entry and your laundry. In the garage, you got the epoxy. Now, you know, epoxy is typically an upgrade at every builder. But, you know, the builders that are a little bit smarter are, you know, putting the epoxy on the models at least. I mean, I think it just makes sense. I mean, if you put it, you know, if you put the epoxy floor on a model, then people might actually purchase the epoxy as an upgrade. So here's your pantry. It's a smaller pantry, but it's not bad. I think that this might be the house I was thinking of. Or I could be wrong, or maybe it's just similar. Yeah, there's that room in the middle. To the right. Huge lanai, look at this. Oh, it's extended. The screen part is extended out past. That's what makes it look so big. So they extended where the stones are. Because you can see right there, like that's where it actually ends, the part that's attached to the house. Yeah, very nice sized bedroom. What's this called again? The Hallmark? Yeah, good closet. You know, there's a lot of people that try to, you know, buy a smaller house when they get older. It's amazing because it's like a lot of people go for, you know, the larger home when they're younger, and then they go for the smaller home as they get older. And the Del Webbs typically have this kind of like a seat in the shower as well. Now, what's this? Is this oh, towel closet. Wasn't expecting that. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, you know, I always like it when there's like a bedroom in the middle of the house, that flex room. So we already saw the garage, and the pantry was there. So that's it. So please check out my website at richnotohomes.com.